It's a good day. Hey, what's up, guys? So I am hopefully got a package in the mail. My mom said if there was, she would put it on my bed up there. And yeah, so we might as well go look. Found it. I found it. Some of you guys might know what this is. Some of you guys might not. I don't know why the package is this big for what it is. You probably know by the title, but you know. Oh! Look at that, look at that, look at that. It looks like it's been used. I don't know. Has this been used? Well, it says new on the back right there, so hopefully it is. I've been wanting one of these for so long, and I've never used one, ever. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What the You have to use one to know what I'm like talking about, but my cat is freaking out down here, like, what's that? You're making it stop. Let's see how long it can go for. I'm gonna spin it and then put it on. How am I, I've seen people do this. How do they do it? Oh, just like that. Just like, bam. I now see why this is a fidget toy. Like, oh my gosh, on camera it looks way different than what it actually looks like. That's so weird. What do you think of it? Oh. Like, you have to actually do it to know why it is like a fidget toy. I'm gonna pick it up now. You have to actually get it to see, like, there's this weird, okay, someone said this in a video I was watching. They said there's this feeling in your fingers that you feel, like the 2 fingers that you have it on. And I was like, what? How is there a feeling in your fingers? And I was so confused. But now that I feel it, I get it. What the? I get it now. I get it now. So my cat absolutely hates this thing. She either absolutely hates it or absolutely loves it because, watch this. If I start it, just watch her. Dang it, I was trying to get it on my finger. Ah. Looks so weird on camera. Like, it does not look like that in real life. That's so cool. But she broke it off, or hit it off of something, and like broke it somehow. So this little piece is broken right there. I don't know how, but you know. I didn't tell you this, but okay, so if you go on the link in the description, just click on the link and you have a chance to win one of these. But it's one of these, but it's like way more expensive and way like better quality and stuff like that. It's just way cooler. This is what it looks like, and they are giving 100 of those fidget spinners, Noble Spin, away. So if you do that, click on my link in the description, and if you click on my link, we will both get 5 extra entries to win. So me and you could both win. They're giving 100 away. So click on the link in the description. First top link. And just, you need to click on it, and then you need to put your name and email in, and then you need to enter it. And how you enter it is, there's these little things already entered, so it like already says I did, but you have to click on these where the blue arrow is. There will be a green thing, I think, and you click on them and you have to do them, and you will be entered. And yeah, so go tap that link and enter, and me and you will get extra entries. Alright guys, so I'm sorry to tell you that I don't think I'm going to be able to do trampoline versus Heelys in the next week. So I couldn't find my Heelys. I looked everywhere in my house. No joke, everywhere in my house. Couldn't find them anywhere. So I am literally going on Amazon right now and trying to find Heelys so that I can do trampoline versus Heelys with Kira. It is so hard to think of video ideas when you have to upload daily, especially when you have to make 2 videos in a day. So I think I might just do a Snapchat opening video, and then I need to think of one more thing, because there's this video which will go up tomorrow, which is today for you guys, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna do a Snapchat opening and then something else, but I can't think of anything, and I don't want to do just a tag or something because that's boring. Do you guys want to watch my pro pool skills? Like, do this because I have nothing to do. I got one. Did you guys see that? Yes, you did. Yay. Boom. Here's my little fidgeter back here. Oh, wow. Do this one because am I gonna be able to hit that purple one? Please. Yes. Uh-oh. That's uh-oh, no. Oh, that was so close to getting that in. So the girl hit my ball in, so now I only have one left. Bam! Boom. I won. If you come in and said I won, then thank you, because you win too. Okay, if you want to add me and play pool with me, you can. My unique ID is that. So if you want to add me and play me, you can. But yeah, it's just 8-ball pool right there, 8-ball pool. So it's really cold outside. It was really warm earlier, but it got really cold for some reason. I have nothing else to do. I'm super bored, so I got this foam like Tanner Rungler kind of has. It's just like super soft foam that I can land on and stuff. Again, knock on wood. That was not wood. Oh, wait. Knock on wood that camera doesn't fall. Because if it does, it's gonna fall on the wood that I knocked on. So let's go. Just like, whoa, there's a lot of hay bales. A car just went by with a bunch of hay bales. Or a semi-truck, not a car. Oh yeah, oh, it's going so far away. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. Ooh, see, that's what I always do. I wish I had a foam pit. This is also probably really dumb. Oh my gosh, I landed on my neck. There's stuff in my eye. You're probably bored, so yeah. Bye. Look at that lonely bird up there. There's literally no other birds in that tree, I don't think. And then there's that lowly bird. Poor birdie. Hey birdie. Oh, fly away. Ooh, are they in that tree? No. Kira, I muted her because I wanted to vlog, but it's really funny. She's saying I'm Molly, the anti-exterminator. And yeah.
Ashley.
What?
You know what I want to say? Okay, so I was looking.
It's 8:13 and I still haven't made any video. I have to make 2 videos still. I was gonna do a Snapchat Q&A, but nobody's sending me Snapchats, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. But I haven't even looked in my room yet to see if there's anything to do. So I want to do something with this fidget spinner, but I don't know what, cause like I can't really do much with this right now, and this is like the title and thumbnail of this video and like the main thing of this video, so I don't want it to be like that so I don't know how, but I tried this, like second try I got it. I'm trying to spin it and then getting this thing, the pencil, in like that, and then dang it. Oh, I got it. Second try again. That's actually pretty easy. There's a bunch of pencil marks. Got it again. Let's try this. Ready? I'm gonna try putting it on my hand right here. Oh, you guys. Guess it's kind of fun, but alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up for this fidget spinner, and make sure to hit the first link in the description for a chance to win one of these. And subscribe if you haven't already. Do what makes you happy. And I, myself, and me will see you all tomorrow.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love